Hey guys, it's all on stuff, and today we're going to be solving the 1 by 1 by 2. And there's literally only one good way to scramble this, and it's actually like pretty easy. So I'm going to be solving this 5 times, and I'm going to be using this finger timer to see how fast I've gone. And okay, let's get started. Okay, observing it, and I've got it. .875 seconds. Let's go. Okay, that's actually my record for solving this. I have never solved this that fast. Okay, okay. Okay. And okay. And I have to reset it. Okay. .49 seconds. I always get like the 2 seconds and point some, like 2 digits. Okay. 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 And reset. And 1.77 seconds. That is my new record. Dang. That is fast. Okay. Okay. This is the last solve, and okay. Reset. And I messed up. 3.03 seconds. I think it was in the 2, but I messed up. And yeah. So that is all. I solved it 5 times, and okay. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching all around stuff, and like, subscribe, and comment down below if you really like this video. And bye.